The EV market is growing. BMW have got this fantastic i4, so they wanted to challenge us to use that and see how we got on to cover off some of the range anxiety that lots of people have and hesitation around that. What better way to challenge the car than send us on the NT 500, which is one of the most famous car rally routes in the whole of Europe, and see how we got on.
So BMW, we've got a good relationship with them as a business. We never knew exactly what car we were going to get from them. We didn't know it was going to be fully electric, and I'll be completely honest, when we found out it was a bit of a, oh okay, we need to think about this a bit more than if they'd have given us a hybrid or a petrol or diesel or whatever. But actually, the challenge itself was actually relatively easy compared to what we were expecting. Very roughly we did 1,600 miles, and full charges I'd say 4, with a couple of sort of half charges in between as well. It took a bit of planning, maybe an hour's worth to cover the whole week, and to be really confident that actually the infrastructure was there, was never going to be an issue. The range anxiety really was taken out of it for us.
There was a few concerns before about how we were going to get to the next charge point, or how going across the windy roads in particular on the NC 500, how that would affect the charge and the battery life. You know, you're accelerating and then braking, accelerating and braking repeatedly, but the car handled it really well. Like I say, I couldn't have wished to have wanted to do it in a better car. We've done a little bit of cost analysis as well as to you know, how expensive it would have been if we'd done it in a petrol comparable. We think that probably would have been around £400 or so, and we think we've done it for between £100 and £150 for the charge ups that we've used through the course of the week.
You surprise yourself with the amount of infrastructure that is actually out there. Even around the NC 500, we were going through small villages and we were saying, well, there's a charging point there, there's a charging point there as well.
Yeah, thank you to BMW Norwich for lending us the car. It's been an absolute dream. Look forward to helping some of our clients fund one of these i4s in the near future.